Hello everyone, welcome back to the AcuPower channel. This is Tamara. Today we're gonna show you how to convert custom screens into modern UI. Acumatica lets you build exactly what your business needs. But if your custom screens still use the classic interface, it's time for a change. Are you ready? Let's jump right in. Before getting started, make sure you have the Node.js of the displayed version or higher installed. If you haven't installed it within the configuration wizard, you can download the right version from the official Node.js website. First things first, go to the customization project screen and make sure the required customization packages are published. In this video, we are using the AcuPurge customization project developed by AcuPower. After checking the projects, go to the custom screen you want to convert to the modern UI. In our case, this is Purge Audit History. Click Customization, Convert to Modern UI. This will download a zip archive that contains TypeScript and HTML files for your custom screen. After downloading the converted package, go to the server, open your Acumatica instance folder, and navigate to the following path: FrontendSources, Screen, SRC, then Screens. Here, make sure the appropriate folder exists for your custom screen. The folder name should begin with the first two letters of your screen ID. And inside that folder, there should be another folder named exactly as your full screen ID. Extract the TS and HTML files from the downloaded archive into this folder. Guess what? You're just a few clicks away from victory. The conversion is almost done. Go back to the customization project screen and drill down into the projects. Open the Modern UI folder and add the TS and HTML files you have just placed on the server. Save your changes and hit the Publish button. This will also compile the project. Wait for the publishing process to finish. Then, head to your custom screen and check out its modern look. On the custom screen, open the Tools drop-down and click Switch to Modern UI. Wait a moment so that the program could complete the converting process and display the screen in the modern view. If you want to go back to the classic UI, open the drop-down and click Switch to Classic UI. Wait a moment so that the program could switch back to the classic. Also, you can run the converting process for your custom screen inside Map. For this, select the required option in the UI column and save your changes. Okay, this was just a quick guide on converting custom screens into modern UI 25R1. Take a moment to subscribe and turn your notifications on so you don't miss the updates. Until then, happy exploring and may your business thrive with Acumatica ERP. See you in the next video.